200 Basic and Advanced Words in English. You are watching English Online Practice. 1. Ask, inquire. 2. Help, assist. 3. Buy, purchase. 4. Start, commence. 5. End, terminate. 6. Tell, inform. 7. Check, verify. 8. Get, obtain. 9. Need, require. 10. Keep, retain. 11. Call, summon. 12. Use, utilize. 13. Show, demonstrate. 14. Say, express. 15. Ask again, reiterate. 16. Wait, await. 17. Choose, select. 18. Think about, consider. 19. Give, provide. 20. Make better, enhance. 21. Try, attempt. 22. Talk, converse. 23. Look for, seek. 24. Leave out, omit. 25. Find out, discover. 26. Begin again, resume. 27. Say sorry, apologize. 28. Break, fracture. 29. Go ahead, proceed. 30. Bring back, restore. 31. Stop, to cease. 32. Think, ponder. 33. Win, triumph. 34. Fix, repair. 35. Talk about, discuss. 36. Fight, combat. 37. Pay, remunerate. 38. Use up, exhaust. 39. Build, construct. 40. Say again, repeat. 41. Check carefully, inspect. 42. Go up, ascend. 43. Go down, descend. 44. Get rid of, eliminate. 45. Give up, surrender. 46. Speed up, accelerate. 47. Slow down, decelerate. 48. Look at, examine. 49. Talk more, elaborate. 50. Think over, reflect. 51. Loud, deafening. 52. Quiet, hushed. 53. Easy, effortless. 54. Hard, challenging. 55. Tired, exhausted. 56. Happy, elated. 57. Sad, miserable. 58. Angry, furious. 59. Scared, terrified. 60. Cold, frigid. 61. Hot, scorching. 62. Big, enormous. 63. Small, minute. 64. Smart, intelligent. 65. Dumb, unintelligent. 66. Fast, rapid. 67. Slow, sluggish. 68. Rich, wealthy. 69. Poor, destitute. 70. Nice, pleasant. 71. rude, impolite. 72. Mean, malevolent. 73. Kind, compassionate. 74. Clean, sanitized. 75. Dirty, filthy. 76. Wrong, incorrect. 77. Right, accurate. 78. Funny, hilarious. 79. Boring, monotonous. 80. Old, ancient. 81. New, recent. 82. Pretty, attractive. 83. Ugly, unattractive. 84. Short, brief. 85. Long, extended. 86. Important, significant. 87. Unimportant, trivial. 88. Lucky, fortunate. 89. Unlucky, unfortunate. 90. Fun, entertaining. 91. Work, labor. 92. Job, occupation. 93. Boss, superior. 94. Friend, companion. 95. Enemy, adversary. 96. Place, location. 97. Thing, object. 98. Story, narrative. 99. Way, method. 100. Idea, concept. 101. Begin, initiate. 102. Walk, stroll. 103. Run, sprint. 104. Cry, weep. 105. Laugh, chuckle. 106. Sleep, slumber. 107. Eat, consume. 108. Drink, sip. 109. Stop, briefly, pause. 110. Fall, collapse. 111. Lift, hoist. 112. Carry, transport. 113. Throw, toss. 114. Catch, grasp. 115. Push, shove. 116. Pull, drag. 117. Jump, leap. 118. Hit, strike. 119. Cut, sever. 120. Burn, scorch. 121. Shine, gleam. 122. Glow, radiate. 123. Mix, combine. 124. Break down, dismantle. 125. Fix up, restore. 126. Close, shut. 127. Open, unseal. 128. Get bigger, expand. 129. Get smaller, contract. 130. Hurry, rush. 131. Wait longer, delay. 132. Worry, fret. 133. Fear, dread. 134. Guess, speculate. 135. Lie, fabricate. 136. Promise, vow. 137. Wish, desire. 138. Like a lot, admire. 139. Love deeply, adore. 140. Hate, despise. 141. Help out, support. 142. Watch, observe. 143. Say yes, agree. 144. Say no. Decline. 145. Take away. Remove. 146. Put in. Insert. 147. Tell secretly. Confide. 148. Stop fighting. Reconcile. 149. Go around. Circumvent. 150. Make legal. Authorize. 151. Ask for. Request. 152. Tell clearly. Clarify. 153. Think deeply. Contemplate. 154. Look closely. Scrutinize. 155. Make sure. Ensure. 156. Make up for. Compensate. 157. Say again and again. Emphasize. 158. Speak against. Oppose. 159. Talk down. Belittle. 160. Look after. Supervise. 161. Talk with others. Collaborate. 162. Fight back. Retaliate. 163. Take part. Participate. 164. Work together. Cooperate. 165. Change. Transform. 166. Switch. Alternate. 167. Put off. Postpone. 168. Cut off. Disconnect. 169. Speed through. Rush. 170. Hold back. Restrain. 171. Take care of. Maintain. 172. Go back. Return. 173. Look again. Reassess. 174. Break apart. Disintegrate. 175. Take control. Dominate. 176. Ask questions. Interrogate. 177. Get better. Recover. 178. Make smaller. Reduce. 179. Let go. Release. 180. Bring together. Unite. 181. Break rules. Violate. 182. Stay away. Avoid. 183. Try hard. Strive. 184. Look forward to. Anticipate. 185. Talk too much. Rambling. 186. Cause. Trigger. 187. Work hard. Persevere. 188. Explain fully. Elaborate. 189. Be enough. Suffice. 190. End completely. Abolish. 191. Put together. Assemble. 192. Keep going. Persist. 193. Put down. Suppress. 194. Act quickly. React. 195. Think of. Conceive. Stay strong. Endure. 197. Cut short. Curtail. 198. Cut out. Eliminate. 199. Use wrongly. Misuse. 200. Talk formally. Address.